Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you run a community, gaming server, study group or developer workspace in 2026, connecting Claude with Discord lets you build a smart AI assistant directly inside your server. Automate moderation and support, answer community questions instantly, generate summaries and content, create AI-powered chat assistants. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Discord in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. First thing first, create a Discord bot. So first you need a Discord bot that will communicate with Claude. So create the bot, go to Discord, developer, portal, click new application, name your bots, okay. Go to bots and add bots. So the bot is your AI messenger inside Discord. Now get your Discord bot token. So inside bots settings, generates bot tokens, okay. Copy and store securely. Never share your bot token publicly. So token allows you or allows your app to control the bots. Invite the bot to your server. So go to OAuth 2 URL generator, then select bot permissions like send messages, read messages, okay, read message history. So use generated invite link, add bot to your server. The bots must be inside your server to work. You also need Claude API access, so log into Claude developer console, generate API key, store securely. Claude API is the AI brain of your bot. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.